Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Super Battle Golf game via Steam Launcher for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for Super Battle Golf and then click on Super Battle Golf game. Then scroll down and here you will see play Super Battle Golf, play for free until 20th July 2026. And here you will see the play game button. So click on play game button and here you will say Super Battle Golf and the file size is 1.67 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library and here you can see that Super Battle Golf game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps you can also download or install Super Battle Golf game on PC via the Steam launcher for free until 20th July 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.